Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to draw a helical spring using Creo Parametric. Now, to draw a helical spring, we need 4 parameters to required. One is mean diameter, another one is wire diameter, length of the helical spring, and pitch. So by using this dimensions, we are going to draw a helical spring using Creo Parametric. Just open the Creo Parametric, then just go to choose the front plane, sketch view. So start with the center lines. So I have created a center line. Click the roller to confirm, then just go for line, just vertical line, just confirm. So now the length of the spring, whatever the length, just go to the model. So whatever the length we have, that length line is we have created. The length of the spring is 330 and mean diameter is 144. The same thing we just want to specify here. This is 330, this is 144. Okay, just click OK to confirm. Now just go to sweep. There is one more option is called as helical sweep. Just click this helical sweep, then automatically it will take this sketch and it's specifying as a pitch of 33. So now we just want to draw a cross-sectional area. Just go to sketch view. Here we just want to create a cross-sectional area. Circle, choose, just click the roller to confirm. Now the wire diameter, just go to the picture again. The wire diameter is 18 mm. So just go to the model, wire diameter is 18. So now just click OK to confirm. Now you can see the helical spring is automatically generated. So now click OK to confirm. So now we got a helical spring. Just give fit screen, standard orientation, then hide these axes and lines. So by pressing center roller up mouse, we can rotate our object. So this is the spring we have created. Now to change the appearance of this spring, just go to appearance, give some material properties, select this part, go to appearance, choose this one. We got this. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.